Una remember Baltasar Ebang Engonga, wey dey trend last year when he sex video with different women plus wives and relatives of top pipo scatter internet? E don dey trend for another matter. You no wan miss our last story. E be like say dis one na checkmate. And UK, France and Germany don start process to reimpose UN sanctions wey dem bin lift under 2015 nuclear deal. Dis one dey happen as wahala dey rise again over Iran nuclear program. Today tori na hot because dat na small highlight. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make you enter the gist proper. Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook don carry President Trump go court after e try sack her from position. She say Trump action no legal and she wan make court cancel am. Cook still drag Fed chairman Jerome Powell and board of governors join the case. She talk say Trump no get right to sack am just like that because the Federal Reserve Act talk say dem fit remove governor only for cause with strong evidence. Trump insist say Cook lie for her mortgage papers and as president, e get power to remove her. White House spokesperson Kush Desai talk say the removal go make Fed board more accountable. But many legal experts no gree. Dem believe say Trump no fit sack Fed governor without solid proof. Cook na one of the 7 governors wey dey inside Fed board and she also be part of the committee wey dey set US interest rate. The matter fit still waka reach US Supreme Court. The ogbonge wahala don burst for US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC as new director Susan Monarez still dey office even after White House announce say dem don fire her. Monarez, wey just be 1 month old for the post, talk through her lawyer say she no go rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives. She accuse Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. of say e dey weaponize public health. White House claim say dem remove am because she no align with the president agenda, but her lawyer insist say na only President Donald Trump fit sack her. The katakata don make at least 3 senior CDC leaders resign, include Chief Medical Officer Deborah Hori, wey warn about vaccine misinformation and oppose budget cuts. Others wey don waka be Daniel Jernigan and Dimitri Daskalakis. Monarez na longtime federal scientist wey Trump nominate after e first choice Dave Weldon waka because of vaccine autism controversy. Senate later confirm Monarez with street party line vote. She talk say her decision na to protect the public over political agenda. But Kennedy tell news media say CDC leadership must follow Trump agenda as e add say the agency dey in trouble and need fees. Health experts dey fear say the way dem dey handle vaccine policy under Kennedy fit shake public trust for one of the world's top health bodies. UK Foreign Office don talk say dem go call Russian ambassador come explain after missile strike for Kyiv kpai at least 17 people, including 4 pikin. Dozens of people still wound for the overnight attack wey scatter British Council and even EU mission buildings. Ukraine President Zelensky accuse Moscow say dem choose ballistic missile instead of negotiation. US Prime Minister Keir Starmer called the attack senseless and say Russia dey kill hope of peace. One Kyiv woman tell reporters say she dey scared but she no wan leave her home. Rescue teams still dey dig for survivors. Whereas Ukraine army claim say dem don hit one oil refinery for Russia Krasnodar region, but Moscow talk say dem shoot down 102 Ukrainian drones overnight. News media don check online trace of Robin Westman, the suspect for the Minneapolis school shooting. Dem find one YouTube account wey carry 2 videos before e disappear. Inside the clips, person dey flip through notebooks full of notes and drawings. The writings mix English with Latin and Cyrillic alphabets. The notebooks show say the attack don dey on plan for weeks before e happen. Dem even mark interest for one school and Annunciation Church. For one page wey dem title Annunciation from Memory, the suspect draw rough sketch of the church, then use knife stab the paper. The shooting later happen for Annunciation Roman Catholic Church, where children dey attend mass as school just start for the week. UK, France and Germany don start process to reimpose UN sanctions wey dem lift under 2015 nuclear deal. Dis one dey happen as wahala dey rise again over Iran nuclear program. Di first step fit trigger snapback mechanism wey go make sanctions return inside 30 days. For letter wey dem send give UN Security Council, di three countries tok say Iran no dey obey 2015 deal and e stockpile of high-enriched uranium no get any civilian reason. Dem tok say Iran nuclear waka fit disturb world peace and security. Three countries still tok say dem go continue to press Iran for serious diplomatic efforts inside di 30 days. Iran don already warn say if dem push snapback, reaction go dey. Di original 2015 deal remove heavy sanctions make Iran cut down nuclear waka, but e scatter after Donald Trump withdraw US for 2018 and bring back sanctions. Since then, Iran don increase im nuclear work wey don make fear dey grow again. Iran still dey insist say im program na civilian only and no be to build nuclear weapon. Four-time Tour de France winner Froome don land for hospital after one heavy crash for southern France. Di 40-year-old cyclist crash near Toulon, about 170 kilometers from im Monaco house, before helicopter rush am go hospital. Doctors confirm say e no get head injury, but e carry 5 broken ribs, 1 collapsed lung and back fracture. Surgery go happen on Thursday. Froome team tok say di crash serious but e dey stable. French news media report say Froome still dey conscious wen dem carry am reach hospital. Di British rider na one of di most decorated cyclists wey don win Tour de France 4 times and collect 2 Olympic bronze medals. Dem give am OBE for 2015. But with all di injuries, Froome no fit ride again dis season. Reports don tok say 2025 even fit be im last competitive year. Na di second time im career don shake like dis. For 2019, e crash for training and miss di Tour de France. And di last one for today, one big oga for Equatorial Guinea, Baltasar Ebang Engonga, wey be nephew to President Teodoro Obiang Nguema, don collect 8 years jail plus $220,000 fine for embezzlement. Engonga, wey dem dey call Bello because of im fine face, bin dey head National Financial Investigation Agency before. Court tok say im divert plenty government money enter personal use. Di scandal burst last year wen leaked sex videos of Bello with different women plus wives and relatives of top pipo scatter internet. Di tapes leak after security force seize im phone and computer while e dey de ten tion over Cayman Islands secret accounts. Engonga no dey alone. 5 other officials join am for di case as dem chop travel allowance money between $9,000 and $220,000. People see im arrest and disgrace as way to spoil any chance wey e get to be future president, since im uncle don dey power since 1979 and don already make im pikin Teodoro Obiang Nguema vice president. Engonga, wey once dey chase money laundering cases, now dey cool off for Black Beach prison for Malabo. E be like say dis one na checkmate. And di tori be dat for today. And na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.